Hey guys, as promised, we're back here. We're going to do our first 10% off monthly sale. This time we're going to focus on Honda's twin 350 and/or 360, very similar bikes. The latest addition to our Honda 350, 360 line is our permanent magnet alternator rotor. This is probably the most significant thing we've done for the Honda 350, 360. Neodymium style magnets in it, which are so far superior to the old 1960s technology. It's just crazy. It's 70% more power output just from this rotor. And as you can see, the rotor's face has all the timing marks on it, just like the stock. It also has all the adaptability to put the stock starter clutch back in, just like the stock one does. And the good part about this is you can run this rotor with our kit if you have it, or you can run it with the stock stator. The big deal here is if you have our kit, it comes with a rectifier regulator and you can just drop the rotor in and it'll work fine. If you're going to use your stock stator, you absolutely have to use one of our rectifier regulators, because the stock regulating system will never handle the huge increase in power. Goes from about 80 watts to about 150. So this is really a significant increase in power output for this old engine. Now, the other thing too is we have the regulator will work as a custom application, or if you prefer, we have a rectifier regulator that'll bolt in to the same spot that the original rectifier bolted on the 350 and 360 Hondas. Also, whether you're going to run lead acid battery or lithium ion, we can take care of you either way. I hope this helps out all you guys that are doing restoration work, it's our restoration season up here. And we'll be back again next month doing another 10% off special. So keep in touch with your bikes. Have a great day.